More than 60 eat this every day to prevent sarcopenia and weak legs. Have you noticed that it's a little more difficult now to stand up, climb a few stairs, or even cross the room? Most dismiss this as simply growing older. But what if your legs are actually experiencing something far more significant? This is the reality that hardly anyone discusses. Long before you notice it, your leg muscles may get weaker. It begins in silence. One day it feels a little more difficult to get out of a chair. After a few months, a small stairway causes your legs to shake. And all of a sudden, even a little walk feels like a significant effort. It's not typical aging. Muscle atrophy is occurring slowly and silently. And it usually initially manifests on your legs. Your balance, posture, confidence, and even independence all alter when your leg strength declines. This is the bit that most people don't hear though. This can be stopped. You can not only halt it but also reverse it, and you may begin in your kitchen. Exercise is beneficial, but the meals you eat each day might have an equally significant impact. They may keep you steady and active at any age, protect your muscles, and help you regain strength. You will learn about 6 easy foods that have been scientifically shown to strengthen your legs from the inside out if you watch this video through to the finish. You can start using these common meals right now to maintain strong, sturdy, and adaptable muscles. Before we get started, let me know in the comments whether you've seen any recent changes in your leg strength. Everything matters, no matter how minor. Tell me about your experience, please. Let's get going now. Sweet potatoes are the first. Despite their seemingly straightforward appearance, sweet potatoes are among the most beneficial foods you can include in your diet after 60. Your muscles no longer use energy as they once did as you get older. Walking uphill, carrying groceries, and even moving around the house feel more difficult than they used to. In actuality, your legs are exhausted long before the day is up because your muscles use up fuel too quickly. The most natural remedy for this is sweet potatoes. Their complex carbohydrates release energy gradually, providing your legs with a consistent power source rather than the sudden spikes and crashes that cause you to feel unsteady in the afternoon. Your legs feel more reliable all day long thanks to this slow-burning energy. Energy, however, is just the first step. Vitamin A, which is abundant in sweet potatoes, is a substance that your muscles need more than you may think. Your muscles develop small micro-rips with each sit, stand, stair, climb, and long stroll. It's normal to cry like this. They are involved in movement. However, if they don't heal properly, pain persists longer and power wanes more quickly. Vitamin A aids in this healing, enabling your legs to recover more robustly rather than rigid and overworked. Then there is potassium, a mineral that is insufficient in the majority of elderly persons. Leg cramps, tightness at night, unexpected weakness, and a wobbly feeling when you stand up too quickly are all subtle signs of low potassium. Your muscles need potassium to contract smoothly and maintain their stability, which is provided by one meal of sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene, a potent anti-inflammatory substance, gives them their rich orange hue. Age-related inflammation gradually erodes muscle fibers without your knowledge. Your strength is shielded from such unseen harm by beta-carotene. Additionally, sweet potatoes aid with digestion, which is more crucial than most people realize because they are rich in natural fiber. Only the nutrients your body absorbs can be used by your muscles. Additionally, improved absorption from improved digestion results in stronger, more sensitive legs. Sweet potatoes are more than simply food. It is a single chemical that provides protection, energy, repair, and improved mobility. Every time you walk, lift, or climb, your legs will notice a difference if you incorporate it into your daily routine. The second is oats. Because they provide your body with the consistent energy your legs require, oats are among the most beneficial foods you can eat after 60. Quick-burning foods lose their effectiveness as you age. They provide you a quick energy boost, but by midday your energy levels quickly decline, which is what causes your legs to feel heavy and exhausted. Oats are not like other cereals. Their slowly released carbohydrates provide your muscles with a consistent supply of energy, allowing you to walk farther, stay active, and prevent that unexpected crash that leaves your legs feeling unstable or weak. Instead of burning out too quickly, this consistent nourishment keeps your legs powerful throughout the day. Additionally, oats provide your body with plant-based protein, which is something that most individuals over 60 just don't get enough of. To rebuild, repair, and maintain their firmness, your muscles require protein on a daily basis. Without it, simple actions become more difficult and your legs lose strength more quickly. Oats protein aids in delaying that loss. Iron, which is abundant in oats, aids in the blood's ability to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Even if you haven't done much, low iron can make your legs feel weak, exhausted, or unsteady. For this reason, eating meals high in iron has a significant impact on how your legs feel. Magnesium, another element found in oats, aids in proper muscle relaxation and helps avoid the cramps, stiffness and tightness that many individuals over 60 experience at night. There is yet another unspoken advantage. Oats promote good circulation. Your muscles can absorb nutrients more quickly and recuperate from daily activity more readily when there is adequate blood flow. Your legs feel lighter, more stable, and more dependable when your circulation improves. Even though a simple bowl of oats in the morning may not seem like much, it provides your body with essential nutrients, consistent fuel, and muscular support that really keeps your legs strong. Third, avocados. Since avocados help lower the deep, gradual inflammation that leads to stiffness, discomfort, and decreased mobility as you age, they are among the most beneficial meals for older persons. After sitting for a long time, many people over 60 wake up with stiff legs or that dull ache. And a significant portion of that is caused by inflammation that gradually accumulates in the joints and muscles. Avocados' monounsaturated fats assist maintain joint flexibility and protect muscular tissue, which facilitates smoother movement and lessens the sensation of being heavy when you first get out of bed. These good fats provide the muscles with the support they require to manage daily tasks without becoming irritated or exhausted too quickly, acting as a constant cushion. Additionally, avocados are higher in potassium than bananas, which is very beneficial for aging legs. Lack of potassium can cause cramps, spasms, or abrupt tightness in your muscles at night that wakes you up or makes walking difficult. Potassium is essential for healthy muscle contraction. Your legs remain more responsive and stable when you include extra potassium in your meals. Vitamin E, which aids in the regeneration of minor stress spots within muscle fibers, is another essential ingredient found in avocados. When you walk, bend, or climb stairs, these little stress spots accumulate. Additionally, they cause soreness and exhaustion if they don't heal properly. The healing process is aided by vitamin E, which speeds up muscle recovery and prevents normal movement from wearing them down. Avocados' nutritious fats also aid in circulation, maintaining blood flow and facilitating the more effective delivery of oxygen to the leg muscles. Increased stability, improved energy, and a quicker recovery are all results of improved circulation. Your legs will feel much more supported, supple, and pleasant all day long with just a small serving of avocado. Berry number 4. One of the simplest foods to include in your diet is berries. However, as you age, they provide some of the best muscle protection. Their strong antioxidant content aids in combating oxidative stress, which gradually deteriorates your muscle fibers and causes your joints to feel slow and stiff. Leg fatigue, discomfort after light exertion, or prolonged recovery times are common issues for those over 60. And the accumulation of inflammation within the body is mostly responsible for that. Berries' antioxidants reduce inflammation and provide your muscles with a cleaner environment to maintain their strength. Vitamin C, which is abundant in berries, helps your body produce collagen. Your muscles, joints, and tendons need collagen to remain flexible, firm, and able to withstand daily action without experiencing pain or tightness. Your legs may feel less stable or more brittle when your collagen levels decline. Therefore, consuming meals that promote collagen can significantly improve your sense of stability. Berries' ability to promote circulation is another significant advantage. For older persons, adequate blood flow is crucial because healthy muscles require oxygen and nutrients. Even if you're not doing anything strenuous, your legs may feel heavy or lacking in energy as circulation slows. Berries provide nutrients that assist maintain the health and flexibility of your blood vessels, which improves the efficiency of oxygen delivery to your leg muscles. The fact that berries' antioxidants also help your brain makes them even more unique. You can gain both physically and mentally from a single, basic meal since they help preserve memory, enhance focus, and maintain clear thinking. A handful of berries added to your breakfast or snack can help your joints move more freely, strengthen your legs, and subtly improve your mood. They have a surprisingly significant impact on everyday comfort and confidence for something so tiny. 5. Salmon. One of the best foods to eat as you age is salmon since it provides your muscles with all the nutrients they need to remain strong. It contains a lot of high-quality protein, which is especially significant beyond the age of 60 because your body gradually loses its capacity to develop and maintain muscle. Your legs may become weaker without you initially realizing it if you don't consume enough healthy protein. A portion of salmon supports the type of strength you need for walking, climbing stairs, and staying active while also aiding in the repair of those muscle fibers. However, the advantages extend well beyond protein. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in salmon, reduce inflammation, ease joint discomfort, and improve blood flow. Stiff joints, swelling knees, or a heavy sensation in the legs are common problems for older persons. And the cause of those issues is frequently inflammation. By reducing inflammation and maintaining blood vessel flexibility, omega-3 fatty acids improve the efficiency of oxygen and nutrition delivery to your leg muscles. Your legs feel lighter, have more energy, and can recover from daily action more quickly as your circulation improves. Additionally, salmon is good for the neurological system, which is important for balance and coordination. Nerve signals slow down with aging, which might cause you to feel wobbly or uncertain when walking. Your ability to control your steps will improve as a result of the nutrients in salmon strengthening those neural pathways. Additionally, your body utilizes the B vitamins, particularly B12, to convert food into consistent energy. Even if you get a good night's sleep, your legs may feel weak or exhausted if you don't get enough B12. You can move with confidence since the B vitamins in salmon assist your muscles produce extra stamina. Few other foods can provide the same level of strength, comfort, and stability as a simple piece of salmon eaten a few times a week. Eggs are number 6. Because eggs have all 9 essential amino acids, they are among the most beneficial and dependable foods for senior citizens. You must maintain, rebuild, and restore your muscles. Even if your routine hasn't altered, your legs may feel weaker or less stable after the age of 60 since your body gradually sheds muscle at a faster rate. Eggs' full protein decreases this loss by providing your muscles with the daily building blocks they require. One of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which many older folks do not receive enough of, is eggs. Simple tasks like walking or standing from a chair become more difficult due to weak legs, slowed reaction times, and balance issues caused by insufficient vitamin D. Regular egg consumption promotes stronger bones, improved muscular coordination, and a more stable gait. Choline, another essential ingredient found in eggs, facilitates the seamless transmission of nerve messages from your brain to your muscles. These impulses may slow down with aging, causing unsteady or unsure movements. However, choline maintains consistency and clarity in these statements. Additionally, eggs include antioxidants, B vitamins, and good fats that shield muscle cells from damage and offer you with steady, long-lasting energy. Eggs' balanced diet helps minimize the rapid declines in strength and afternoon tiredness that many older persons experience. Eating 1 or 2 eggs a day might seem easy, but over time, it promotes stronger legs, improved balance, and more fluid movement, all of which help you maintain an active and self-assured lifestyle. Eggs can be even more beneficial when eaten alongside other nutrient-dense foods, such as whole grains or leafy greens, which will assist your muscles absorb the nutrients they require. Eggs' consistent protein and vitamins provide the support your legs need to walk, climb stairs, and maintain your independence throughout the day. Consuming eggs on a regular basis develops into a tiny habit that significantly improves your body's sense of strength and capability as you age. Your legs feel more stable and comfortable with this daily boost. And this is the one thing I pray you never forget. Your muscles continue to expand. Not at 60, 70, or 80. Salmon, eggs, avocados, berries, sweet potatoes, and oats aren't considered superfoods. Your body still comprehends these basic tools. They help you maintain your balance, reduce inflammation, and repair damaged muscle fibers. Little decisions add up. A few nibbles now can translate into longer walks next season, easier stairs next month, and greater freedom in the years to come. Your body continues to pay attention to what you give it. It's still trying to recover. For you, it still wants to be strong. The good news is that diets strong in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and high-quality protein can reduce or even cure age-related muscle loss, according to reliable U.S. sources including Harvard Health, the Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute on Aging. This week, try only one of these foods and see what your body can do. Watch the next video on the channel if you want to take the next step and learn easy behaviors that improve balance and prevent falls before they happen. Let's maintain your strength. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. It is very beneficial to the channel. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next